try to keep our borrowers as liquid as possible. We have our fix and flip product, which is very unique, which allows them to have peace of mind throughout their project.
We have rehabilitated and built properties ourselves, and so we really try to look at what helps investors get from one deal to the next.
So one of the things in all of our guidelines are built around making the client be more successful in that loan, so keeping money in the bank.
So instead of one of our investors coming out of pocket first and then getting reimbursed for it, we actually advance that process all the way through for them.
So we give them the money before they actually have to do the work, so they're not out the money, so they can keep their cash flows going and not worry about stopping projects.
We allow the escrow of all monthly payments into the loan amount. Once you close the loan with us, you won't have to make another monthly payment on the loan for the remainder of the loan term.
Borrowers don't have to worry about having their draws frozen because they haven't made a payment, because it's already built into the loan, and they can focus on their project and making sure gets done in the time frame that they have and that they can sell it for a profit.